Hi, my name is Jasper, and today we'll be cooking ramen. I like this one because it comes with sesame oil in the packet. These are my favorite pairs of chopsticks. I have a lot to choose from. Get your pot and pan ready. I use one that comes with the strainer. In the pot I use, I fill it up to about 1/3 with water. Be careful not to spill it. Set your burner to high. Now we need to open it up. Take the ramen out of the bag. In the packet, you will find a brick of ramen, seasoning, and sesame oil. When it starts steaming, add the seasoning. I use tongs because then when I put the brick of ramen in, I can pick it up. When it starts to boil, you need to put the brick of ramen in. When soft, mix ramen around. While boiling, add the egg. Stir occasionally. Do a little bit of a taste test. Get the noodle and do a little bit of a taste test to see what consistency you like. The noodles are ready. Let's turn off the stove. Put your oven mitts on and remove the pan from the heat. This is optional, but I choose to strain. You can see here the egg is fully cooked. Now, put in the sesame oil. I like to add a little bit of soy sauce in it. Let's take a taste. Now that's some good ramen. Thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Jasper.